We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. We do our best every single time. Though we never ask for feedback, we always appreciate hearing, "We've done a great job," as we strive to constantly improve our services by listening, focusing, and caring every single time. You shouldn't settle for anything but the best, and we would love the chance to show you why we receive such amazing reviews. We're thrilled you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.